Hello, this is Jeff from GoPro Do It. Today we're gonna do an oil change on the Mazda 2. Right, that's the filter from here. Drain plug. We need 8mm hex head. I'm gonna grab the filter from down under and then twist it. So for the torque, it's recommended to be between 30 and 40 Newton meter. For the oil filter, I've got K&N. So I'll torque it up to 20 Newton meter. For filling the oil, I'm gonna use the mobile one. It's 5W30. The specs API SP or even NP. They both approved by Mazda. So we're gonna fill 4 liters as we change the filter, and then we're gonna check the level. Yeah, so that's the maximum level now. We're gonna turn the engine on. To reset the service light, go to applications, maintenance, oil change, reset. Are you sure you want to reset oil change? Reset. So the distance due now is 10,000 kilometers. With this premium oil, that would be achieved. Reset. That's it. All good.